The morning routine billionaires never reveal. 1. Rise before the sun. Own the quiet hours when the world is still asleep. 2. Avoid screens first hour. Protect your mind from distraction and negativity. 3. Drink water, not coffee. Rehydrate your body and fuel your brain naturally. 4. Exercise regularly. Boost your energy and strengthen discipline. 5. Journal thoughts plus gratitude. Clear your mind and focus on what truly matters. 6. Read something timeless. Feed your mind with wisdom that lasts or good informations. 7. Meditate in silence. No noise, calm and focused. Breathe, reflect, visualize, or pray. 8. Plan the day ahead. Map out what you'll do and when, so your day has direction. 9. Eat healthy breakfast. Fuel your body with natural, organic, clean energy, not junk foods. 10. Focus on one priority. Attack the hardest or most important work before anything else.